Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, I have built an attack helicopter. Got 2 EMPs on the sides, and 1 minigun. Sorry if I'm a little out of breath. I just got back inside from running around with my dog, and he has a lot more stamina than I do. I need to work out. But basically, so I have built this attack helicopter, and it's a pretty good one. Especially for me, I'm not the best at function over form. I try to do form over function, but I also try to do a little bit of both. So I was struggling to build this. It took me 20 minutes, maybe 30. I don't really know. I wasn't really timing. But yeah, so I have built this, and I want to basically either on this server or in a different server. I want to go in and use this and see if anybody wants to fight. So on this server, I did helicopter slash drone battle, and this guy is the only guy that has joined so far. So I'm coming over here to check this out. Never mind, he left. So I guess I'm going into a public server. So let's go do that real quick. My hopes is that somebody wants to have a battle with me. Oh well, hold on. If not, I'm gonna be a little sad. Okay. Here we go. No password. If you guys remember, I did build a dinosaur in one of my videos, one of my show-off videos, and I do plan to do some things more like, build showcases. I really want to do some of those. Let me know if you want it to be build showcase of what I've built or what other people have built, or maybe a little bit of both. It doesn't really matter to me. I think either way would be pretty fun. It just is up to y'all. So whatever y'all want to see, just let me know on that, and hopefully I can get into this server. There we go. Oh. Bro, wait, bro. Crap. Here's a little tip for y'all. If your builds aren't loading in, this is a fast way to get them loaded in. Okay, here's my drone. Okay, but anyway, I'll deal with that later. So I have this, and we're just gonna fly up in the sky, get away from these people, and then turn around and leave. I need to upgrade my storage. Right now it is not the best storage, which is sad, because I want to get the best quality for y'all, but it's a little strugglesome. So let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, or if you want to see a different kind of video. Just depends. Oh, that guy's being filled with dynamite. Wow, that. As y'all can see, this is a pretty resistant helicopter. Well, I say that, I look to the left side and it's just completely gone. Oh. Why is everybody in build mode? What the heck? I have said all-out war. I was expecting to join and have an all-out war. Not join into some build mode. So I pre-built this. Let me know. Also, let me know if y'all want to see me do some building videos. Or videos on a different game. Oh. Why am I not? My helicopter, no helicopter. Come on! Hey! Dude, holy crap! This guy is just shredding my helicopter. You know what? It's an all-out war. Hold on. Let me... Gotta hit this guy with this. Ah, yes, the Reaper. You may be wondering what this is. It is a turret. Now. Oh my. I'm frozen. Somebody help. Please don't tell me I was oh, well, no. Like, I think the creator crashed. Oh, well, no, it's still open. I don't know what that was, actually, though. That was weird. But, yeah, let me know what else you want to see. If you want to see more videos like this. Oh, it's just me and this guy, I guess. Oh, yo, he's a Chirpo, too. Bet. I'm a pirate Chirpo. I'm a better. He's just green. So, yeah, this, I believe, is my first video with the new update. And I really like the new update. It's a pretty good one. So basically what I'm thinking is I want to do a campaign video. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that. And I think that will be it for this video, just because I'm about to make another one. But this time, I'm not going to be alone. I am going to have a friend come along with me. And hopefully y'all enjoyed that video. So I will see you there. And that's it for today. Bye, guys.